Say hi, Brady. Okay. Say hi, CJ. Okay. Okay. We are almost at the beach. These two just woke up from a nap. We're stopped at Walmart because they went to go get, my brother and my sister-in-law went and go get what's it called, a canopy, so the sun won't be, so the sun won't be like in our faces and stuff. And I think they also want to go get drinks. I'm not too sure. But we're almost at the beach, so yeah. I'm eating a burger, so yeah. See you at the beach.
The water looks pretty nice.
Oh my god! Oh my god, the water! Baby shoot car!
I have water in my ear. I just made this call and I think I can sit in it. I just fell in it. I can sit in it, which is cool. It was just gonna be like one tiny, but it ended up caving in, so I just like, oh well, I guess I could sit in it. It's a pretty good. You know what? I don't think I have made a montage in a long time. So let's see if we can do a montage. It looks like a stingray. It is! It is! It is! It is! It is to me!
Okay.
It's right there!
Right there. Right there.
What the heck?
It's a big piece of meat.
I like the hooks are right here. They had it at.
Oh, they were using it as bait. Stingray! Stingray.
That scared me!
You're in the water and you just
Yeah! My first thought was a stingray. That scared me. Hope you enjoyed that little time lapse I filmed. So I'm just sitting here on an ice chest drinking Sprite. Today I actually went outside with my house, which is great. Cause like the beach is like an hour or two away from, like I think like an hour, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes. I don't know. I feel like it's an hour. So yeah. Me and my nephew are on shore. So my sister-in-law, my other nephew and my brother are out. But right now it has been 2 years since I've been on YouTube. this works. Now, we're gonna go slide down one of these mountains. It was my brother's idea. So I'm gonna try to go slide down one of these hills. What was that? Overall good actually. And so now I'm just sitting on top of the hill. Whoa! It's like a waterfall of sand. I just literally get stuck. Oh my god.
Like a slow motion slide.
Yes! I'm gonna be so sandy. I'm going. I'm going. I made it, even though I'm so sandy. Look how sandy I am.
Can I take a picture? Sit right here.
What is that in there?
Right here.
Hello?
Like that.
Go up and down.
Little
Don't get
big,
in there.
big cheese with daddy?